Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now, before adding any alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one and select Settings. Then adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're done, go back and tap on this button with a plus at the bottom to add new alarm. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on Repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Fridays and Sundays. To save them, hit OK. Now tap on Alarm Sound. Log in to your Spotify account to use music from it. Select Add New at the top to pick any song from your smartphone and apply it. Or just click on one of those available melodies. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back. Now tap on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm and click on Label. Now you can name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Select OK in the pop-up. And finally use this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by choosing the same, now grey one. If you wish to edit your alarm, tap on any of the added ones, change wherever you wish to, and tap on the check mark again. In order to delete one of them, hold the chosen one and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!